Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to protect your formulas in Excel so they can't be accidentally changed. So let's begin this tutorial. So here you can see that I have a school fee record in which I have entered all the data of my school fee calculation. Now I would like to protect this sheet containing the formulas for total fee collection and the pending fee because these formulas are based on various calculations that I don't want to change accidentally while filling any record. First, I need to select this whole sheet. For this purpose, I need to click on the square field in the top left corner between the row numbers and the column letters. And when I click it, it will select the whole sheet. Now I will right click anywhere on this sheet and I will click on this format cell. Here I'll go all the way to this protection option, and here you can see that I have the option of locked cell. It means that whenever this option will be checked, all the cells are locked. But I want to customarily lock only those cells that contain formulas. So first I need to unlock all the cells. So I'll uncheck it and click OK. This will make all the cells unlock. Now in my sheet, I only wanted to select the cells that contain the formulas. To do this, I'll go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab, I'll click on this Find and Select option, and here I'll click on this Go to Special, and I'll choose this formulas and click OK. So now you can see that only those cells that contain formulas are selected. I will right click anywhere on these selected cells, and here I'll click on these format cells, and again I'll go to the protection, and under protection I would like to lock them. So I'll click on this locked and click OK. Additionally, if I would like to set any password for these protected cell, I'll go to the Review tab, and here I'll click on this Protect Sheet, and here I can set any password. For example, I'm setting any password, and here I will make sure that I have checked this Select Unlock cell because this will enable me to add data to this sheet other than these locked cells. And after setting the password, I'll click OK. It will again ask me to put the same password that I have set. I'll enter the same password and then click OK. Now the sheet is protected. I can change anywhere other than these cells and enter the record as per my desire. But if I want to change the formula, when I will go to this option of changing the formula, you can see that the Excel is notifying me that these cells are logged, and if I wish to change it, I might need the password. So if I click on this OK and I wanted to change or to unprotect this sheet, again I need to go to the Review tab and click on this Unprotect Sheet and input the same password and then click OK. So now the sheet is unprotected and I can make any amendment to the formulas. And that's how you log formulas in Excel. This keeps your calculations safe while still letting others to input the data. Now try this on your own spreadsheet to avoid accidental mistakes. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos on Microsoft Excel. See you next time.